What if I told you that the most profound impact of AI won't be on the economy, but on our very sense of identity? I know it sounds like a bold claim, but hear me out. You see, we're living in a world where machines are getting smarter by the day, and it's changing the fabric of our society in ways we can't even imagine yet. As I've been exploring the world of AI, I've come to realize that we're not just talking about a new technology, we're talking about a fundamental shift in how we live, work, and interact with each other. It's like trying to imagine a world without the internet. It's hard to picture, but that's exactly what's happening. And the crazy thing is, we're not even close to being prepared for the social disruption that's coming our way. I mean, think about it. When the internet first came out, it was all about accessing information and connecting with people. But AI is different. It's like having a super intelligent, always available assistant that can do everything from driving your car to diagnosing your illnesses. And that's just the beginning. As AI continues to advance, it's going to start changing the way we think about work, education, and even our relationships. For instance, imagine a world where AI-powered robots can build entire cities from scratch. It sounds like science fiction, but it's not that far off. And when it happens, it's going to disrupt entire industries, from construction to manufacturing. But what's even more interesting is how it's going to affect our daily lives. You see, when machines can do most of the work, what's the point of humans even showing up to the office? It's a question that's going to challenge our very notion of purpose and identity. As I've been reading about the AI impact on society, I've started to notice a pattern. It's not just about the technology itself, but about how it's going to change our values and norms. For example, when self-driving cars become the norm, what's going to happen to the concept of car ownership? Will we even need to own cars anymore? And what about the jobs of all the taxi drivers and truckers out there? It's a complex web of changes that's going to affect us all in different ways. And that's what's so fascinating about AI. It's not just a technology, it's a catalyst for social change. As we start to rely more and more on machines, we're going to have to redefine what it means to be human. It's like the difference between a horse and a car. Both can get you from point A to point B, but they're fundamentally different in terms of experience and purpose. But are we ready for that kind of shift? Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about all the benefits of AI? Won't it make our lives easier and more efficient? And you're right, it will. But the problem is, we're not prepared for the unintended consequences of AI. We're not thinking about the potential downsides, like job displacement or social isolation. It's like the story of the goose that laid the golden eggs. We're so focused on the benefits that we're not thinking about the potential risks. As I reflect on my own life, I realize that I'm guilty of this too. I mean, I love using AI-powered tools to make my work easier, but I never really think about the broader implications. But that's exactly what we need to start doing, thinking about the future and how AI is going to shape it. Because if we don't, we're going to be caught off guard by the sheer pace of change. And that's when the real disruption is going to happen. So, what does it mean to be an unprepared society in the face of AI? It means we're not thinking about the potential risks and benefits of this technology. We're not having the hard conversations about what kind of world we want to create, and what kind of values we want to uphold. It's like trying to build a house without a blueprint. We're just winging it and hoping for the best. But it's not all doom and gloom. I mean, think about the potential benefits of AI, from curing diseases to solving climate change. It's like having a superpower at our fingertips. And if we can harness that power in a responsible way, we can create a future that's truly amazing. But we need to start thinking about it now, before it's too late. As we look to the future, I think we're going to see a lot of future shock, that feeling of disorientation and dislocation that comes from rapid change. It's like the difference between a vinyl record and a streaming service. Both can give you music, but they're fundamentally different in terms of experience and culture. And that's what's going to happen with AI. It's going to change our culture and our way of life in ways we can't even imagine yet. But here's the thing, I'm excited about it. I mean, think about the possibilities, from virtual reality to space exploration. It's like the whole world is opening up, and we get to be a part of it. And I think that's what's so cool about AI. It's not just a technology, it's a journey of discovery and exploration. As we navigate this journey, I think we need to ask ourselves some tough questions. Like, What kind of world do we want to create with AI? What kind of values do we want to uphold? And what kind of risks are we willing to take? It's like trying to solve a puzzle. We need to think about all the different pieces and how they fit together. And that's where I think we are right now, trying to figure out the puzzle of AI. We're not sure what the future holds, but we know it's going to be different. And that's what makes it so exciting, the uncertainty, the unpredictability, the sheer possibility of it all. So, as we look to the future, I think we need to ask ourselves one question: what's the one thing we can do today to prepare for the AI-powered world of tomorrow? Is it learning a new skill, or starting a new conversation? Whatever it is, I think it's time for us to start thinking about it. Because the truth is, we're not ready for what AI is going to do to society. We're not prepared for the social disruption, the job displacement, or the potential risks. But we can be. We can start thinking about it now, and we can start preparing for the future. And that's what I think is so important, being aware of the potential impact of AI, and being willing to take action. As I finish up this video, I'm left with more questions than answers. But that's what I love about AI, it's a mystery, a puzzle, a journey of discovery. And I think that's what's so cool about being alive right now, we get to be a part of it. So, what do you think? Are we ready for the AI-powered future, or are we just winging it? If you're as curious as I am about the future of AI, and you want to stay up to date on the latest developments, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.